Hey, how you guys doing? My name's Hector, and I met John Harris about a week ago, and he challenged me to try his invention, the OmniShaver, which he claims shaves your head twice as fast or ridiculously fast. I'm used to shaving my head in about 10-ish minutes using the old Bic. So I'm going to shave my head. Quick note about the OmniShaver, I noticed it does have these curved kind of sides, which makes it easier to hold on. I thought that was a pretty nifty design feature there. So without further ado, one last thing, when I told John I'd do it, I told him I shave in the shower. I don't know about you guys, I shave in the shower, and for me I shave everything, head and my jowls here, my cheeks. So I'm going to be shaving it all, and we'll see how much faster it is. With that being said, I use shampoo, conditioner. It's just nice and slick. I'll drop the shaver. Excuse me for 1 second. Okay, here we go. Basically pretty straightforward. You just send it back and forth. Nice even strokes. Feels like I got all the front. I don't know about you guys, but I shave by braille. I feel with my other hand where I'm going. Feels very thorough at the moment. And now to the face. It looks and feels done to me. I call that done. You be the judge. Pretty damn fast.